Hi, this is me, Nathan Alexander McDonough. I am here at Denver International Airport, and I am plane spotting. Over here is a Lufthansa Star Alliance plane. You can now see it. And remember, you will see it in present when it departs. You can see its jet turbine. It's an Airbus A340. In the United truck. Well, anyway, I am here plane spotting. And this plane will be departing, and I don't know how long, but I know it will be departing maybe less than an hour, maybe. So let's see if it goes. We'll wait till it departs. There's a whole United fleet here. And you will see when it departs. Airport. Well, there is a plane. I think that is United. I guess it's United Express. We're gonna be taking the Frontier 860 to Orlando. We're going back for vacation. And by the way, this is me, Nathan Alexander McDonough. I am reporting to you plane spotting. And this is the Denver Airport in Colorado. You can still see that plane. When does it depart? I'm really waiting for the departure. What? What is it? Bye, guys. We are sorry that you have missed a flight.